A serious issue that affects millions of people each year. A type of fraud that involves the unauthorized use of an individual's personal information, typically with the intent to commit financial fraud. The rise of the internet and digital technology has made it easier for identity thieves to access and steal personal information.
Ipakilala mo munang yung sarili.
Ako po si
Ako po si
Kumusta ka?
Hindi ko po masasabi na okay ako.
Maaari mo bang isalaysay kung anong nangyari sa iyo?
Noong nakaraang araw po is may lalaki po na lumapit sa akin at nagpakilala na girlfriend daw niya po ako and matagal na po kami nag-uusap. That time, hindi ko po alam na may gumagamit po pala sa pictures ko ng walang permiso sa akin.
may dumating pong notif sa akin nung nakaraan. May nabawas na 10,000 sa account ko. Hindi ko po yun pinansin kasi akala ko may nakalimutan na akong binayaran na bills. So, tapos bigla na lang pong may tumawag sa akin. Tinatanong ako kung may transaction daw po akong ginawa. Naubos na daw po yung laman ng bank account ko.
Sa tingin mo, may pagkukulang ka ba sa nangyari sa iyo?
Siguro po sa tingin ko meron akong pagkukulang kasi my photos were on public kaya nangyari sa akin to.
Sabi ko pong meron. Kasi ako kasi yung kasi ng tao mahiling mag-shopping online, siguro may mga kailangang lagyan ng information. Baka doon niya nakuha yung information kaya na-hack yung account ko.
Identity theft is a significant concern that requires constant vigilance to protect our personal information. It's essential to exercise caution and worry when sharing sensitive details online and to regularly update our passwords. By staying aware and taking the right precautions, we can safeguard ourselves from potential threats. Remember, staying safe and secure starts with a little caution.